Today we want to give you an update on the house. Zeb got the floor down on Saturday and we stayed late to put up our very first wall. I picked up some doors and I'm also going to show you some sconces that I ordered that Zeb doesn't know about yet.
I saw them, they were in boxes. Odelia was like, hey Dad, where do you want me to put these? I'm like, I don't know what those are, put them in the house.
So let's see what we've been doing.
Okay, it's time to start getting the subfloor down over these floor joists. I'm using an Advanced Tech subfloor system. This is the glue, it foams out, it's super strong. And this flooring was about $8 more than your standard flooring. It's really sturdy, harder than most hardwoods, and it's supposed to not squeak, especially when you use the glue. And I'm using special nails in the nail gun designed for subfloor. They've got a ring on them that helps bite in and grab. All right, so I've already made a mistake. I was so excited to drop this on here, I forgot to cut it so that it lands right on the floor joist. My plans call for the flooring system or the decking, the subfloor, to overlap. And then when I put the bottom plate on, that'll sit up over the flooring, and then we'll bolt that down and the walls will go up from there. On the edge, I'm gonna go about every 6 inches, and then along the joists about every foot. It's trying to sprinkle on me. I've got temporary stairs in here right now, and I haven't decided what I want to do with the banister yet, but I know I want to anchor it down into the foundation when it comes time to install it. So I'm going to cut around this corner and then finish the flooring off to then. And that way, once the banister's in, if I need to do a little piece of trim to make it look pretty, it'll be pretty easy to do that and install. And I won't have to like cut down through the flooring to get to the concrete so that I can anchor the banister in. All right, so the main floor has subfloor on it for the addition, and we're getting ready to put the wall in.
Zeb only had to rig it a little bit.
I only had to get creative over here, you know. It'll
Creative
be fine.
carpentry.
It'll be fine. I'll fill it with foam and put some flooring over the top of it.
Just put some Bondo on it.
Just float it a little, it'll be okay. Look, this is the crayon I'm using to mark out where the windows go that Jamie got me.
I am not going to Home Depot right now. There's like 200,000 people that are supposed to be social distancing that are not, and they have to wait in line. And I already went to Lowe's today. So it's Transformers rescue bots from the dollar store because there was one person there.
All right, so before we can do this wall, I've got one window on this wall on the bottom floor, and it's in, we'll call it the mother-in-law suite.
Yeah, it could be mother-in-law because it's your mother-in-law or my mother-in-law.
Yeah.
Either way.
Mother-in-law suite.
Yeah.
So
The walk-in closet.
we got a couple things to do here. We're gonna try to get a wall or two up.
So Zeb is marking where the, what is this called?
So these are the anchor bolts. I'm just marking out where they're gonna go so we can get them bolted on. Got to drill holes in the bottom plate of the wall is the first step. Just kind of lay it out, and then we'll do that all the way down. And then once we get that going, we'll go ahead and start actually putting the studs in, and then a top plate.
Also, the neighbor's mowing the lawn.
Always. Saturday. Now we're just laying out where the studs are gonna go, 16 inches on center. So the nice thing is the tape measure has little marks on there, so I don't have to do the math.
Yeah, well, the nice thing is that we'll know it's correct because every house we've ever lived in, the studs are off.
So we're just carrying over the mark from the bottom plate over to the top plate. We'll see how straight Jamie's lines are. If our wall's crooked, I'm blaming her.
My dad was a general contractor, so I feel like it comes through the bloodline. And when other kids were getting Legos, he brought me the weird cut off ends from all his projects and would sand them, and those were my blocks. I didn't realize that the windows were designed so low, and that seems weird to me because you can't put anything in front of it. We're gonna put the cripple board up and then we'll work on framing in the windows on Monday when I make a decision as to window size.
All right, so the trick is we're gonna lift it and not let it fall over the other side before I get the braces on it.
Well, we can get it.
Squat it with your legs. All right, get under it.
This is just tall.
Okay, keep walking down it, Odelia. I feel like we're off our bolts.
Yeah, you are.
Hold on, we gotta go up. Keep going up.
Oh yeah.
Not up by far.
Just scoot it over.
Okay, keep it. Hold on. Keep it, Jamie. Keep it from falling over.
Okay, you're gonna do it? Okay, and you gotta go back a little.
Odelia, did your side slip on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
Don't put your feet under it.
Oh, that would not be smart.
I'm not putting it under it. I'm putting it on it.
Sucking it.
Oh.
Look how tall this wall is now, Eliza.
Whoa.
You get it now?
Yeah, that went right on.
Look, buddy.
Nine-foot baby.
Ready? Okay, a little more. All right, right here. Got it.
All right, so we picked up these doors for $100 a piece. I found them on Facebook Marketplace, which is an excellent source for finding used construction goods. They're actually brand new. Looks like they sat outside for a little bit.
Yeah, they're gonna be good. They've got the tempered glass like they're supposed to have in them. Normally this would probably be about a $1,500 door, somewhere in there with this much glass in it. So we're excited to find them for that price.
Yeah, we got $100 a door for 4 doors, and to find 2 matching sets that are the exact right size is a tremendous deal, and we can't wait to get them installed.
Well, it might actually be a house someday. Wall number 3 is up.
Well, we could just, you could run a wire and we could do them on the fireplace. Do you think that's too much?
Well, if I'm just running a little wire down and they don't have to have the mounting hardware there. I mean, I guess I could add the mounting hardware.
Then we could actually leave this open all the way to the top.
I'll just do a shallow box and then, I don't know, we'd have to do some serious German schmear right
That's
here.
gonna look so fantastic. It's like it was made for that, like, to fit it.
And I'll have to work some magic
Can you get
on
the
this
other one
spot.
out and hold them up at the same time so I can make sure that I like that?
Sure.
Thanks.
The nice thing about these lights, if you're not an electrician, they come pre-wired with a plug.
And just so you know, you can pick these up at JamiRayVintageHome.com. We can be twitters. All right, hold on, hold that right there. This is gonna be today's Instagram photo. Thanks for joining us today while we work on the house, pick out new light fixtures, find junky old doors. Well, actually they're new. Old stock.
They're new doors, And we may have been a little high on our estimate. We looked, they're about $900 to $1,000. But still, at $100, that's like 90% off.
It leaves money for light fixtures.
Yay!
Make sure you're hitting up JamiRayVintage.com for your paint and products, JamiRayVintageHome.com for all your home decor needs, and visit JRV Closet if you want some cute clothes. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY. One more wall's almost ready, just need to add headers, but it's getting dark, so that'll have to wait till tomorrow.